Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I will teach you how to use Google Forms. So first, you can see there's blank quiz or etiquette, assessment, and also worksheet. So this is one of my work. Okay, so you can see this is the question, and then when we scroll down, we can see this question here, and then we can see the responses for this form. And then we go to setting, and we can setting all of it, and we also have the total mark right there. Then just click send to send to anyone that you want. So this is the form that I made. So just click on it and then click next. It is very simple, right? That's all. Thank you. Bye.